Hi guys, welcome on my channel Crochet with Jana. Today I'm going to show you another Easter project idea. So this time we've got a motif in egg shape by using two different colors. For my project I'm using crochet hook size 1.5 millimeters and the thread in size 10. So my project from the top to bottom is measured about 7 inches, so it's gonna be beautiful decoration for the windows, for the tables, everywhere where you want to place it. So thank you very much for supporting my channel, and let's get started. Our work, we are going to start by making slip knot, then chain of 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Into the second chain from our hook we are going to start work with first single crochet, and now we need to work one single crochet in each chain stitch all the way across. So I've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and into our last one 19. We should have 19 single crochets. Now we are going to work chain of 3, and then we need to start working on the opposite side of our chain stitches. So we need to work single crochet in exactly the same stitches as on the opposite side. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and the last one 19. So we've got, I'm going to count it as a row, so we've got 19 single crochets on both sides of our chain stitches and chain 3 in the middle. Second row we are going to start with chain 1, then we are going to turn our work, and now we need to work one single crochet in each single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So you've got 19 single crochets again, And now into our chain 3 space we are going to work 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. The second one we need to mark by using stitch marker or any piece of thread to make sure that we are not going to lose this stitch, because in next rows we are going to work 3 single crochets in exactly middle one. And now 1 single crochet in next 17 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. The last two we need to skip. So here we had 19 and now 17, but in total, including our single crochet from the chain 3 space, we should have 18. Row number 3 and the next rows until row number 8 we are going to work in exactly the same way as this one. So we need to start with chain 1, then we are going to turn our work and 1 single crochet in next 18 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Now into the single crochet, as we marked before, we are going to work 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3, and we are going to mark again the second single crochet in this stitch, then 1 single crochet in next 17 single crochets. So basically we are going to skip last 2 and we are going to have 18 single crochets again, the same as we have in our previous row. And basically on each side we are going to have 18 single crochets in each row. Even if we have to skip our last 2 single crochets, we always need to work 3 single crochets in the middle. So that's why we are going to have exactly the same number of stitches in each row. So now we can start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, one more time, and 18, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17 and 18. This is the 18th. So as I said, we've got 2 single crochets at the end and we are going to skip them. The next row we need to start again by working chain 1, then we are going to turn our work, 1 single crochet in our 18 stitches, 3 single crochets in the middle one, then second single crochet we need to mark again, and then 1 single crochet in next 17. So in total we should have 18 again, and we are going to continue this row until we will have 8 rows on both sides of our chain stitches from the beginning. Okay, so one more thing, because I said that we are going to have 18 single crochets on each round. I was actually wrong. After our 3 single crochets in our 1 single crochet, we are going to work 18 single crochets, but in total from the marked one we should have 19. So just to make sure that you've got the correct number of stitches. So after these 3 we are working 18, but we should have 19 per each row. So I am at the end of my row number 8. So let's get count all our single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So now in total we've got 18. In the meantime we had 19. So even including our single crochet after the middle one. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. And on the opposite side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So that's why. On one side we've got 20 single crochets and on another side 18, because we had to skip our last 2. And now we are going to work our last one row. By working chain 1. So now on our opposite side we should have exactly the same stitches, but this time we are going to work 1 single crochet in our all single crochets until the middle one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. And into our marked single crochet we are going to work 2 single crochets, and that's it. So this is end of our row number 9. Now we can fasten off and cut the yarn. So the first part of our egg is done. Now we can use hot iron to make this part flat, and in the meantime I will go back to you to show you what we have to do next. We are going to start from our top single crochet, the last one in row number 9. So we need to join and work chain 1, then single crochet. And now we are going to work chain of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then we need to skip our first 8 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 into the 9th treble crochet. Then chain of 9 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then we are going to skip 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into the 7th treble crochet. Chain of 9 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then we need to work 1 treble crochet on the top of the second row. So 2 rows I am counting as a 1, so this one we need to skip 1 treble crochet into the second, or actually parts. One more time. Now chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Treble crochet at the top of the next part, so at the small corner. Chain of 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Treble crochet at the top of the next corner or end of our row. Chain of 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One treble crochet exactly at the top, so where we actually was finishing each rows and starting our chain stitches. And chain of 7, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Treble crochet here on the opposite side, so at the beginning of the row, exactly at the corner. Chain of 7 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Treble crochet at the top of the next corner. Chain of 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Treble crochet at the top of the next corner. Chain of 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Treble crochet at the top of the next corner. Chain of 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chain of 9. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, chain 6, 7 spaces, and now chain of 9 again. And we need to repeat what we've done on our opposite side. So we are going to skip first 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4 into the 5th treble crochet. Chain of 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now we need to skip next 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into the 7th treble crochet. Then chain of 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and slip stitch in 4th in our first single crochet, not 4th chain stitch. So this is our first round. On two sides we've got 3 chain 9 spaces and 7 chain 7 spaces. Second round we are going to start by making chain of 4 instead of treble crochet, then chain of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Treble crochet in our first chain space, chain of 10 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Treble crochet in next chain space, chain of 10 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Treble crochet in next chain space, and from now we are going to work chain 8 spaces. So chain of 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Treble crochet in next chain space, chain of 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Treble crochet in next chain space, chain of 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Treble crochet in next chain space, chain of 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Treble crochet in next chain space. So we should have 8 chain 8 spaces this time. So we've got first 3, 1, 2, 3 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is the 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and this is the 6th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the 7th, and one more chain of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Treble crochet in next chain space. Then 3 times chain 10 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Treble crochet in next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Treble crochet in the last chain space, and now we've got our last chain 10 space. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and slip stitch into the 4th chain stitch. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So at the top of our treble crochet. So again, on both sides we've got 3 chain 10 spaces and 8 chain 8 spaces. In a minute I will go back to you to show you what we have to do next. Now we are going to start our last one round. So I'm going to show you what we have to do in our chain 10 spaces, and then I'm going to explain you what we need to do in our chain 8 spaces. So it's slightly different, but everything in a minute. So we are going to start with slip stitch in our first chain 10 space. Now chain 1 and single crochet. Then half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and then 7 treble crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I said 7. So 7 treble crochets, and then 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, half double crochet and single crochet. Then we are going directly to the next chain space, and we are going to start in exactly the same way. So single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochets, then 7 treble crochets. After our 7th treble crochet we are going to make 2 double crochets, then 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. So this is our pattern for chain 10 spaces. So in total we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 stitches, but little difference we've got in our chain 8 space. So we are going to start with single crochet, half double crochet, and instead of 2 double crochets we are working with only 1, then 7 treble crochets, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. So we should have 13 stitches, 2 stitches less than we are working in our chain 10 space. So as I said before, in chain 10 space we've got 2 double crochets, then 7 treble crochets and 2 double crochets. In chain 10 8 we've got 1 double crochet, 7 treble crochets and 1 double crochet again. So this pattern now we are going to repeat to the end. So in chain 7 spaces 15 stitches, so for the first 3 and for the last 3, and in our chain 8 spaces we should have 13 stitches. So this is how our egg looks like at the end. So if we would like to hang this egg in some place, we can attach more thread or make some chain stitches in a center treble crochet of our top group of treble crochets. So at the bottom we should have 2 groups of our stitches, and at the top exactly we've got only one. So that's it for today. Thank you for staying with me to the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next one. Have a nice day.